Dominic L. Di Carlo. Dominic Leonard Di Carlo, March 11, 1928, April 27, 1999, was an American lawyer and politician from New York. He was a member of the New York State Assembly from 1965 to 1981, Ronald Reagan's first Assistant Secretary of State for International Narcotics Matters from 1981 to 1984, and a United States Judge of the United States Court of International Trade from 1984 to 1999. Early life and education. Di Carlo was born in Brooklyn, New York on March 11, 1928, and raised in the Bay Ridge neighborhood. He was educated at St. John's College, receiving a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1950. He then attended the St. John's University School of Law, graduating with a Bachelor of Laws in 1953. He was admitted to the bar in 1954. He completed his education at the New York University School of Law, receiving a Master of Laws in 1957. Career: a practicing attorney since 1954. In 1959, he became an Assistant United States Attorney for the Eastern District of New York. In this capacity, in 1960, he became Chief of the Organized Crime and Racketeering Section. He left the United States Department of Justice in 1962. From 1962 to 1965, he was counsel to the Minority Leader of the New York City Council, New York State Legislative Service. Di Carlo was a member of the New York State Assembly from 1965 to 1981. He was vice chairman of the New York Joint Legislative Committee on Crime from 1969 to 1970, chairman of the Assembly Committee on Codes, and an ex officio member of the New York Law Revision Commission and the Judicial Conference of the State of New York from 1971 to 1974, and vice chairman of the Select Committee on Correctional Institutions and Programs appointed in the wake of the Attica prison riot from 1972 to 1973. In 1973, from 1975 to 1978, he was Deputy Minority Leader of the New York State Assembly. State Department service. In July 1981, President Ronald Reagan announced his intention to nominate Di Carlo as Assistant Secretary of State for International Narcotics Matters. Following Senate confirmation, Di Carlo held this office from September 25, 1981 to July 13, 1984. He spent much of his time in office trying to persuade foreign leaders to supplant fields of opium poppies with other crops. Federal Judicial Service. On May 25, 1984, President Ronald Reagan nominated Di Carlo to replace Judge Bernard Newman of the United States Court of International Trade. He was confirmed by the United States Senate on June 8 and received his commission on June 11. President George H. W. Bush designated Di Carlo to serve as Chief Judge in 1991, a position he held until October 31, 1996, at which time he assumed senior status. Death and honors. Di Carlo died on April 27, 1999, after suffering a heart attack while exercising in the gym at the James L. Watson Court of International Trade building. The annual Di Carlo Lecture in International Law at John Marshall Law School is named in his honor. Family. Di Carlo was married to Esther Di Carlo, born Esther Hansen, and the father of sons Vincent, Carl, and Robert, and a daughter Barbara. His youngest son Robert Di Carlo was a New York State Senator from 1993 to 1997. After Esther died, he was married to Susan Di Carlo, born Susan Hawk.